Animals that live in the North Pole, also known as the Arctic region, have unique adaptations that enable them to survive in the extreme, cold and harsh conditions. Here are some key strategies and adaptations used by Arctic animals. Insulation. Many Arctic animals have thick layers of fat, or blubber, beneath their skin, which acts as insulation and helps them retain body heat. Additionally, they often have thick fur or feathers that provide extra insulation. Small extremities. Animals in the Arctic have relatively small extremities, such as ears, tails, and noses. This reduces the surface area exposed to the cold, minimizing heat loss. Camouflage. Arctic animals often have white or light-colored fur or feathers, providing camouflage in the snowy environment. This helps them blend in with the surroundings and avoid predators. Seasonal adaptations. Some animals, such as the Arctic fox and Arctic hare, change the color of their fur to white during winter to match the snowy landscape. This adaptation helps them remain hidden from predators. Thick fur. Many Arctic animals have dense fur that traps air close to their bodies, providing additional insulation. This air layer acts as an effective barrier against the cold temperatures. Migration. Some Arctic animals, such as certain bird species, undertake long migrations to escape the extreme cold of the North Pole. They travel to more temperate regions, where food is abundant during the winter months. Food storage. Some animals, like the Arctic ground squirrel, store food in burrows or caches during the summer months. They rely on these food reserves during the winter when food sources are scarce. Adapted diets. Arctic animals have adapted to survive on the limited food options available in their environment. For example, polar bears primarily feed on seals, while Arctic foxes scavenge for carrion and hunt small mammals. Hibernation. Certain Arctic animals, such as the Arctic ground squirrel, undergo hibernation during the winter. They lower their body temperature and enter a state of reduced metabolic activity to conserve energy. Ice adaptations. Marine mammals like seals and walruses have specialized adaptations to survive in icy waters. They have thick blubber to insulate them from the cold and flippers, or tusks to navigate and break through ice. It's important to note that while Arctic animals have evolved to survive in extreme cold, climate change and its impact on the Arctic ecosystem pose significant challenges to their survival. The reduction of sea ice and changes in food availability are affecting the delicate balance of the Arctic ecosystem and placing these animals at risk.